Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox, then wait 10 minutes so stored charge dissipates. This prevents shocks and sensor errors. Once done, remove the plastic panels and carefully unscrew the back cover. Keep screws labeled so reassembly is straightforward. Make sure you're on a static-free mat and use a wrist strap to protect components. You'll want small plastic pry tools and a Phillips driver. These let you lift clips without cracking the casing and expose the fan assembly for inspection. You now inspect the fan blades and housing for dust, lint, or foreign objects that block airflow. This is often the root cause. Once done, blow compressed air in short bursts to avoid overspinning the motor. Then lightly clean blades with 90% plus isopropyl and a cotton swab to remove grime. Make sure to check the fan connector on the board. If pins are bent or the plug is loose, reseat or replace it. These steps restore airflow and reduce overheating, which trips thermal limits. You should power the console briefly to confirm the fan spins smoothly and without unusual noise. Do this before full reassembly so troubleshooting is easy. If the fan still fails, replace it with an OEM or high-quality compatible unit. Unplug power, ground yourself, and swap the fan, then reconnect securely. Once replaced, reassemble the case in reverse order, plug in, and run a stress test while monitoring temperature and fan RPM. If problems persist, one key tip: check the motherboard fan header voltage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.